Yung mayroon ba tayong threat assessment, monitoring po?
Of course, pagka meron tayong activity, we have to prepare. And when we say security and peace and order, one of that is paano maging maayos and orderly and peaceful ang isang activity. And of course, we are looking at the different threat groups. There are 3 threat groups, no? The local terrorist group, the communist terrorist group, and of course yung panghuli is yung the usual criminal gangs. Itong tatlo na to as early as last year, and natural naman na ginagawa natin parate, and with that we don't have any threats so far na nakita since the start of the preparation. Okay? In fact, we have our activities in Panglao or in Bohol. That was in the month of February. Wala rin tayo, naging maayos yung week-long activities and different activities doon. Meron nga tayong nasagip na isang foreign national while having sports activities, yun yung nag-diving. Kala natin ay nagsasabotahe sa activity, pero hindi. Nasalba natin siya.
Paano ito ma-prevent ito na mangyari? Hindi mangyari ngayon?
We are working 24 hours to deny the occurrence of any activities that will derail the peaceful conduct of this activity.
Ano ba yung direktiba natin sa mga police natin? If ever may mga post-oriented groups na gagawa ng mga
Ang ating regional director, galing po ng MPD yan. At alam po ang gagawin niya yan. Lalong-lalo na, sinabi ko kanina, in Metro Manila, there are 3 protest rallies in a daily basis. At alam niya. And yesterday, we have approximately nationwide is about 11,000 protesters. Nationwide po yon. In Metro Manila, meron po tayong about 5,000. Naging maayos naman po ang ating pagsalubong or pag-secure ditong activity na to. Whether or not they have the necessary permit, ay nakahanda po ang pulis. At lalong-lalo na, if may mga protest na ganyan, they are prepared. Makikita mo yung kanilang mga gamit, may mga protective gear sila para maprotektahan yung sarili nila at maski nababatuhin or sila na mismo ang gagawan ng hindi maganda, ay protected sila. Okay? And of course, maximum tolerance is ensured and guaranteed.
Sir Chief, sa ganito kadami mga forces na i-deploy, paano po natin ma-assure sa publiko, lalo-lalo na po sa mga delegado, ang kaligtasan at maging matagumpay na activity sa ASEAN?
We are doing this. We are in coordination with each and everyone. Sinabi ko kanina, di ba? The conduct of a successful activity is not only for the mayor. Kaya nga yung mayor natin nandito, no? Hindi niya makakayanan. In as much as this is national activity, international activity, yung resources ng ating mayor ay hindi makakayanan kasi may aspect yan ng mga pulis, no? Army meron din dito, meron din siyang emergency responders. Kaya nagsama tayo ng marami. Okay? So, with that different warm bodies, including their equipment yan hindi lang naman transportation assets, marami pang mga assets yun, no? Meron diyan fire truck, etc. Meron pa yung skills, and to include warm bodies. Nakita nyo, lahat yan magagamit para mag-prepare and to deny the occurrence of activities that will derail yung activity. In fact, meron nga yan mga scenario, may contingency planning, etc. Okay? Yun yung plano.
In relation po, sir, satisfied po ba tayo sa assets and the show of force or magdadagdag pa tayo in the coming days?
The security operations and preparations is a continuing one. Pagka nakita natin kulang, and then we will deploy. Pag nakita natin sobra, and then so be it. No? Basta ang security operations is a continuing a continuing one. Okay?
Thank you, sir.